The International Visitors Leadership Program is one of the premier exchange programs between the United States and France. For generations, this exchange program has built up an alumni network of people who have traveled from the United States to France, from France to the United States. It's a wonderful exchange program that brings people together and I think makes friends of the United States and France and makes the relationship that we've had for almost 250 years even stronger. The program is 8 decades old. It's a very old program that was started sometime after the Second World War. It was a very different time back then. I think at that time we realized, or both countries realized, it was important to create a professional level relationship. It's important to have young people travel, it's important to have students travel and do exchange programs, but it's also important, I think, for professional level people to travel and to better understand how their colleagues or how their counterparts work in another country, and that's something that the IVLP does. The reason for this program is it helps the United States is it helps us better understand other countries like France, and it helps the people of France and other countries better understand the United States. Something we call mutual understanding, which is another fancy word for friendship. The people-to-people connection is really the basis for everything else that we do. I think you really have to be friends first before you can be true partners and true allies. Just as it was important at the end of the Second World War to build that transatlantic alliance, it's now important for this generation to keep that alliance strong. We can't take for granted the work that was done decades ago to bring two great democracies together. As we see right now, democracy is imperiled all over the world. So it's important that friends like France and the United States maintain this level of relationship and strengthen the transatlantic bond.